What you drive?
On my ride? Yeah, my ride's one of a kind.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Who raggedy ass shit is that?
It's the little flat-butted car that was way ahead of its time.
This is where life's led me.
Baby, 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 oh baby.
Series of bad choices followed by more poor choices.
Subscribe.
Hey, at least it's got a hood on it. And it's got bullet holes in it, you know? Kinda. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around of everything and probably do a video, just a good clean up, detail video. Get a lot of befores. Get the windshield, all the bullet holes replaced. And I'm gonna leave it up to you guys what you want to do with this thing. Are we gonna LS swap it? We gonna lift it? Put 35s on it? Sky's the limit. Tell me what you want to do. First 100. Damn battery. We gonna blow this budget quick. Bullet holes, huh? I mean, it's shit up in here. Damn! We got lights. Got most of the interior. You know? Definitely smells like water.
And again, we encourage people, don't do this. Don't do what you see right there. Very dangerous. Just
we live. Oh yeah, we're in there. Just kick this glass out. See, I was like, in the key I go with it.
Gotta hot wire this thing? Of course I can. I'm an electrician. Only
pretty bad, the core support. I'll have to cut this out. Well, then another one from the donor. So here I am on the passenger side. I think they had a blowout. This is the fender that's blown apart and inner well. It's missing a lot of the harness, so got the schematic pulled up on the laptop here. Just going through soldering everything, heat shrinking everything. Most of the wires were right on the wiring diagram. Had to break out the meter for a little of it. Just going through, those are the headlight plugs. On a gasket. Got the new cylinders and the keys. Turn signal pigtails, more pigtails. this stupid car. Steering column. So you pain into the DS. Trying to get up in here. I'm trying to get this ignition back on here so I can use a key. These are them tamper resistant bolts. There's not a lot of room in here. See what I'm getting to. Those two. So bright my shit won't even focus, boy.
Subscribe.